Despite the challenging conditions of hot, dry weather, I was excited for bird camp and headed north. The feeling of anticipation began to build the closer I got to our meeting place to hunt with Scott and Al. You can see how dusty the roads were. It was so dry and warm.
I'm gonna break into the right now here. Oop.
The warm, dry weather just really made it difficult for the dogs to lock down these birds.
He's still trying to
and
solve
they could hear us coming from a long ways away. We saw plenty of birds. We just could not close the distance.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, Newman. Yeah, he's yeah. Whoa. Whoa. I can't shoot. Right over his head. And whoa. Whoa. Right here.
Thankfully, we were able to anchor a couple birds for these hard-working dogs. And Al here has a really nice red-phased bird.
Right here. Riot, fetch. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Right here. Right here. We'll take that. Not pretty. That one. No. One that peeled hard, right? Good boy, Riot. Does that feel good, buddy?